Well, good morning. It's 7 o'clock. It's spring harvest. It's Minehead, Somerset, 2007. Why am I doing this? I have no idea. Recording, But I know why I'm here. Yeah, searching for spiritual experience. I want a relationship with God. Working the assumption, of course, He exists. Alright. Well, it's a glorious day. The birds are out. Thank you. The wind is blowing. It's cold. Some of the things we do here, well, lots of worship, lots of experience, lots of singing. Yesterday, we tried art. See if we can have a show this. There you go. There's some art my significant other did. Even I tried my hand at it. A bit desperate, really, but we'll see how it goes. So the highlights have been art, and singing, and praying. I find praying really hard. I don't know why I find it so hard, but I do. If it's just talking to something else. I do that all the time. I'm doing it at the moment. I'm doing it to you lot. I don't even know who you are. Maybe that's why I can do it. For goodness sake, I even talk to the car when it annoys me. They're normally not in language I could repeat here. Morning. Fellow people what live on the web. It's 7 o'clock. It's Tuesday now at Minehead, Somerset, UK, Spring Harvest Festival. Not as nice as yesterday by any stretch of the imagination. The wind is quite chilly. You can see what's left of my hair. It's being blown around. The ducks are around all over the place, which is really nice. Sorry about yesterday. It was a big quick. I didn't play the picture again. Oh boy. Heavy times in Christianity. Oh, what did I tell them? We took to art, which was fun. I said my wife did some. I didn't mention that I did some as well. Which was a good laugh. Very enjoyable. But big homecoming last night, actually in the Big Top, which is a big celebration, 3,000 to 4,000 people together in one place. They actually had a place where they asked if anyone wanted to do art to come up and do it. Well, for some reason, I did. And for some reason, I painted my little picture, which I can show you actually, thinking about it. See if I can turn it around. There we go. But no, I had to do it about 10 foot high, didn't I? In paint, neither of which I've used before. It was a bit of a problem. A challenge, but I did it. Now, why did I do it? That's the big question. I mentioned yesterday about not speaking to God, having a problem praying. Because God doesn't hear me, or I don't hear Him, or what have you. Now, I don't paint. I'm a painter. Never have used paints. Didn't do art at school. I was namby-pambies. I did science, mathematics. That's what I enjoyed doing. So the question, I suppose, is, was God talking to me through paint? There's a weird thought. Something to bear in mind. Lots of highlights so far. Learning to drum, painting, singing. Went swimming with my daughter and her friend yesterday, which was very hard work, as any father will tell you. That's an interesting thing to live with. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Well, good morning. Last day of spring harvest. Glorious sunny day, as you can see. Wow. The spiritual journeys are always a nightmare. As I commented last night, if life is a spiritual journey, and spring harvest is hyperdrive. You get so much pushed into it. Can I break through? Yes, unquestionably. Can I now pray? Yes, I can. Do I know what causes the problems? Yes, I do. Have I got rid of them? I'm on the way to. A whole new world has opened up. Got a bit of a cold sniffling away. About to get told off by my wife, you watch. Oh, shut up. The old bird. Naughty. Don't ever see this. Oh, well. I'd just like to say thank you, even if I don't put these out. Thank you. And, God bless. Onward up. Oh, right. Yes. Reason for the diary. Highlights of Spring Harvest. Well, art, as mentioned earlier. Last night I painted again, despite the fact my legs being wrecked. Bad with their name. Bopping around to those, including Yannick, who actually did it in church. I see the other YouTube videos, St. Giles, and the band with their name. That was good fun. So many highlights. Tim Vine last night, quick fire comedian, thousands of jokes, all clean, none dirty. Every one of them a laugh. Very, very, very funny person. Very quick. Today genuinely is the first day of the rest of my life. I better get started. Bye now.